Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use Google Analytics. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to analytics.google.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your account, but if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Google Analytics and check out how you can do that on our YouTube channel. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go, what do we actually have in front of us here. So basically here we have, as you can see, the home, reports, explore, advertising, and admin panel. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use the Google Analytics. So the first thing that you need to have to know that we are at the moment on the home screen. And here by clicking on reports, you'll see all of our reports. So basically all of them will be here, as you can see, in one place. By clicking on explore, here we will have the explorations where you can go and create new ones. So you can start a new exploration, blank, freeform, funnel, whatever you want. And now here we have the advertising, which is the last option here, which you can go and get started by clicking on here. Also in the top left corner, we have the admin panel, guys, where you can check out everything while as you are the admin and see the account details, your preferences, setup assistance. You can see everything about the account, property, data, data display, product links, and everything in one place is guys here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.